My name is Jonas Lusa. This video is about the word friend. The word friend is Moninga in Lingala. Moninga. If you want to say friends, you say Baninga. If you say Moninga, you are wrong. One friend is Moninga. Two or more than two friends is Baninga. Thank you so much. I have translated the song Namisui Misapi by OK Jazz. There's a link in description. If you want to listen to the song while reading the lyrics in English, please click on the link in description. The idiom Namisui Misapi can be translated to I beat my fingers, but the true meaning is I am caught in my own trap. Thanks a lot. The video is over.